Student, today we are going to solve the practice set 3.1 of arithmetic progression. Question number 1. Which of the following sequence is an AP? कौन सी AP है वो बताना है हमको. If they are AP, then find the common difference. अब वो AP रहेगी तो उसका common difference D निकालने का है. First 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So, answer, means solution is what? What is the value of the first term? T1, that is the 2. What is the second term? 4. Third term, first, second, third. Third term is what? T3 is the 6. What is the fourth term? That is the 8. So, we are calculating the difference between them. Means D is equal to the difference between the two consecutive terms. Means second term minus first term, third term minus second term. Means T2 minus T1. Therefore, 4 minus 2. T2's value is a 4, second term is a 4 and first term is a 2. So 4 minus 2, that is 2. Again, D is equal to next term, third term minus second term, T3 minus T2. These are two consecutive terms. So 6 minus 4, that is also 2. So we get the fixed difference. D is equal to 2. D is equal to what? 2. There is a same difference between the two consecutive terms. So it is an AP. The given sequence is an AP. Then second sub question, 2 5 by 2, then 3 7 by 2 and so on. Again, T1 is what? 2. T2 is what? 5 by 2. T3 is what? 3. T4 is what? 7 by 2. We get the values. So we are calculating the difference. D is equal to what? The two consecutive difference between the two consecutive terms, means T2 minus T1, and also T3 minus T2. So what is the value of T2? 5 upon 2 minus what is the value of 2? T1, that is a 2. So calculating for it, we are taking as the LCM. Both LCM is what? Here 2 divided by 1, there will be no effect. So both are having the different denominator. So we are taking the LCM, that is the 2. So it will get multiplied by 1 and it will get multiplied by 2. So 5 into 1, 5, 2 into 2, 4. Therefore, 5 minus 4, that is 1 divided by 2. So we get the difference 1 by 2. But we are finding out if that difference is the same for each consecutive term. So we are again calculating that D is equal to what? D is equal to what? The next T3 and the previous is a T2. So 3 minus 5 upon 2. By putting these values, again by taking a LCM. Is the 2. 3 upon 1, there will no effect. So this will get multiplied by 2 and this will get multiplied by 1. For the LCM 2. So 3 into 2, 6. 5 into 1, 5 upon 2. 6 minus 5, that is the 1 upon 2. So we get the same difference. 1/2. Okay. So the given example, this sequence is an AP. Example of AP. And what is the difference? D is equal to 1 by 2. That is our answer. Okay. Then third question. Then third one. Minus 10 is the same question number 1. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and so on. 2 and so on. Again, This is the first term T1, this is the second T2, this is the third, and this is the fourth. So we want to calculate the difference between the two consecutive terms. These are two consecutive terms. The second term is the T2 minus T1. So by substituting this value, what is the value of a T2? It is a minus 6 minus in bracket. Why we are writing here in bracket? Because there is a minus sign. So minus 10. Therefore, minus 6 minus, that is the plus 10. 10 minus 6, that is the 4, and higher number sign is the plus, that is not written. So we get D is equal to what? 4. Again we calculate that if there will be a same difference between the two consecutive terms, the next term is the T3 and previous is the T2. So again D is equal to T3 minus T2, that is minus 2 minus in bracket minus 6. There minus 2 minus become a plus 6. 6 minus 2, that is again a 4. So we get the fixed difference 4. Fixed difference between the two consecutive terms. So if there will be a fixed difference between the two consecutive terms, or it is a constant, then it is an AP. And what is the difference? D is equal to, value of D is equal to what? 4. So these three example is of an AP. Then question number, sub question number 4. Sub question number 4. Take the question number 1. Question number 1. So 0.3, then 0.33, 0.33, and again 3. Okay. So what is the first term? T1, second term T2, third term T3. So we want to calculate difference between the two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1. What is the value of a T2? 0.33 minus, what is the value of a T1? 0.3. Means here we are writing 0.33 minus point below the point, decimal point. This is a 3, 0. After 3 we are writing 0. There will be no effect. So by taking subtraction, 3 minus 0, that is a 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Point is there. 0 minus 0 is a 0. So what is the difference we get? 0.3. D is equal to what? 0.03. 0.03. But our calculation does not stop. We are again taking the difference between the two consecutive terms. T3 minus T2. What is the value of a T3? 0.33 and 3 minus. What is the value of a T2? 0.33. If you take here 0, there will be no effect. So by subtracting it, 3 minus 0, 3, 3 minus 3, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, point is there, and 0 minus 0, 0. Means D is equal to 0.003. These two are the same? No, there will be difference. There is a 1 0, here is a 2 zeros. So the difference looking like a same, but it is not a same. So difference is not a same. So this example is not, it is not an AP. AP का example नहीं, क्योंकि difference is not the same according to the condition of the AP. We want the difference is the same. Then next one, fifth, same question number 1. 0, minus 4, minus 8, and so on. Okay. So we are calculating again T1, T2, T3. Again difference is what? T2. Again same formula. T1 minus 4 minus 0. 0 is subtracted. So there will be no effect on that number. So D is equal to what? Minus 4. Again D is equal to T3 minus T2. So T3's value is a minus 8 minus in bracket because it is minus value, negative value. So we are writing in the bracket minus 4. Therefore minus 8 minus plus 4. minus into minus plus, 8 minus, different signs, so we are taking a difference. The difference is what? 8 minus 4, that is a 4, and higher number sign is a minus. So D is equal to what? Minus 4. So these two differences are the same, that is a minus 4. So the given sequence, it is an AP. Okay, the difference is the same, so it is an AP. Then question number 6. Next sum in the same question. 6 minus 5 by 2, again minus 5 by 2, again minus 5 by 2, and so on. Again T1 is what? Minus 5 by 2, T2 is a minus 5 by 2, T3 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Therefore solution D is equal to T2 minus T1. What is the value for T2? Minus 5 by 2. And minus, what is the value for T1? That is negative, so we are written in a bracket. So minus 5 by 2, minus minus plus 5 by 2. Number are the same, but sign is the difference. So their subtraction is what? 0. So the value of D is equal to what? 0. Again we are calculating the next. That is also minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. That is also a difference is what? 0. So the given progression is an AP, and the difference is what? D is equal to what? 0. So the other sum we will solve in the next video. Thank you.